Unix shell scripting, and this is the fourth video in continuation, and we are going to discuss few more concepts. Okay, so we have started with the loop concept in Unix scripting. Let's go ahead and see a few for loop examples. So let's say we have a file which is data file, and what we can do is we can display the data file using cat command, and uh, for every record in cat file, then what we can do is do echo word for every word in the data file. Okay, so similarly we can, so the earlier example, right, employment file. So we need to find the total salary. So what we can do is earlier we have used the different programming technique. Now we are using for salary. So sum is 0 for salary and cut hyphen d. We are extracting the third field from the employment data and then do sum. So using the expression, we can sum up the files and then sum. Okay. Then there is another write a shell script to delete duplicate file in the current directory. That is another example. So this for loop concepts can be used. What we need to do is duplicate direct file in the current directory. So for I in star, so all the files or directory all in star, and then do j in again star. Do if dollar I equal to dollar j not equal to, then what we can do is if we need to check if it is a file or both are files. Okay, I and j, then what we need to do is, but both are files, but both are not same. Okay, then we need to compare I and j, then rm hyphen I dollar I. Okay, if both are same, then remove one, right? Similarly, multi-way balancing, the case statement is also there in the Unix. So case dollar value in pattern one. So only thing is the how the constructor syntax is different. Otherwise, the execution is same. We need to close particular condition statement using comma, double comma. Okay, and then finally we will have star round bracket closing, and then the final statement, and then ESAC. So reverse string of CAC. Okay, so this is the switch statement in Unix. Okay, so let's see small programming construct for case statement. Enter name of the fruit, then read the fruit, then what fruit it is, apple, then an apple a day, then grapes is orange grapes, mango, like likewise, king of fruits, mango. Then finally echo the test rest, okay, for any other fruit. Okay, it will print the rest. Check of alphabets and spaces. So, so, so whether particular character is alphabets or and spaces. So read str case str. If it is not is A to Z and annual input only can contain only the alphabet and spaces. If the entered character is not not in entered character is not in A to small case alphabet or uppercase alphabet, then what we will say it's not a valid input. If entered nothing, then we will say must enter value, otherwise valid input. Okay. So with that, we have conclude our shell scripting session, and for advanced concept, I'm going to upload other videos titled as advanced concepts in coming weeks. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.